Welcome back to Autoscope. Newmar Dutch Star, 2026. Appearance. The 2026 Dutch Star has a stylish, contemporary appearance with a variety of color choices. Its weight is made of gel-coated fiberglass, and its side walls and roof are framed in aluminum, giving it remarkable strength and longevity. The Gerard G200 power side awning has LED illumination and a wind sensor. Double-pane, tinted, frameless windows for energy efficiency and privacy. Windows in the bunk area are optional. Interior and amenities. With a range of floor plans and decor choices, the 2026 Newmar Dutch Star boasts an incredibly opulent and adaptable interior. High-end amenities such as a refrigerator, microwave, a convection oven, and cooktop are included in the galley. Superior solid surface material is used to construct the kitchen island. It has cozy seats, including theater seats that can be adjusted electrically. A large dining space is also available for eating. A king-size bed with a pillow-top mattress, an LED TV, and lots of storage space are all characteristics of the main bedroom, which is at the back. Driven by a Cummins diesel engine with 450 horsepower and 1,250 pounds-ft of torque. Strong strength is provided by this combo for uphill and lengthy travel, utilizing an Allison 6-speed gearbox. Even when traveling long distances, handling is made easier and more comfortable with the Comfort Drive steering function with passive steer. To lessen driver weariness, this feature automatically modifies the steering level. There is an optional collision prevention system with movable distance control called On-Guard Adaptive Cruise System. This feature contributes to increased road safety. You can operate the RV's many features via touchscreen control panel in the helm area. Wireless charging is accessible. Tile flooring heated by electricity, sophisticated heating and cooling systems, wheelchair access options, and electric steps at the entrance. Luxurious and beloved. The 2026 Newmar Dutch Star is a Class A diesel motorhome.